Yo boys, today I'm going to show you how to download the Mech bot and how to inject it into your game. So what you're going to want to do is go to the link in the description, join the Discord. Once you're in the Discord, you want to go over to prices and go over here, and once you've guys bought it, write in chat that you've bought it and they'll give you the customers row. Once you have that, you want to go to Mech loader, download this. I already have it downloaded. So we're going to go over here. Make sure you have your virus and threat protection off, or else it won't let you inject, or it won't inject correctly. And once that's off, you want to go back over here, go to your downloads, loader, let this load. This will take a little bit. Alright, so once it's like this, it will ask you, because I already used this, it'll ask you, do you want to, like, what bot do you want to use? It's gonna give you a bunch of options like Mech or Cream, Nova, all these different bots. You're just gonna click Mech. It's gonna ask you for what number do you want to, what number. So obviously right here brand is Mech, but if you're gonna, I'm just gonna do it just for the video. We're gonna delete this, and right here delete keys number all. Click all. So right here, this is what's going to show for you. You're going to click Mech. So you can click 2. And it's going to ask you for a key. I'm going to go get my key right now. We're just going to copy this. Right here. Paste it. Enter. Now it's going to inject. So you guys just have to wait. If your guys' bot does not work, it's because you guys have chosen the GPU. I'll ask you, do you guys want to use GPU or CPU? My GPU is too weak, so I used CPU. But in another video, I'll show you how to redo it. Anyways, we're gonna click this. By the way, do not close this, because if you guys do close this, it'll crash your whole entire game. Anyways, once it's loaded in, mine was over here in the corner, but that's because I had it how it is. So you guys are gonna choose whichever one. I personally use Mech V10. You could add a split screen. As you can see, we can remove it. These are the settings, so you could add a humanizer. This just makes it more believable. We've auto skip replay, anti demo. This is so then you jump and you avoid the demos. Anyways, I'm just gonna go on 1v1 just to show you guys. But anyways, this is a very good bot. You guys see how good it is. It could aerial. It could do it. My favorite feature about this bot is the demos. So once it has the ball in possession, it will just go after the player, a demo, and then the ball will just roll in. That's my favorite feature so far. Boys, I've been only using this for about 23 hours. This is a very, very good ball. From my personal experience, better than any bot I've used. But yeah, we're about to join. So, boys, I'll just let you guys see the gameplay. Yeah, it is also F1. You can change the bind. So, just don't mind this. It's F1. Let's go. Who are we playing against? Let's see. Alright, so I'm just gonna move this over here. We're playing against Diamond 2. I'm Diamond 2. This bot is GC level. GC3 actually. In 2s, I am GC1, Div 1. But yeah, you guys can see it's 1 now. I just wanna. They might forfeit because they know how good I am. I mean, the boys. Like, this. I don't even have to worry about this. Oh shit, never mind. They always win kickoff. I think it's about to go up for a wall or something. Nah, it's gonna go up to this corner. As you guys can see, the ball is jumping, so then they don't demo me. That's one of the very good features as well. No way that didn't go in. It reads the ball perfectly. For V10 and V7, I personally use V10 because I'm used to V10. If I'll be honest, I haven't used V7 that much, but for V7, sometimes the kickoff doesn't like it like low-key lags on the kickoff. But V10, it stands for version 10. I'm using version 10. I prefer it. I mean, right now we are low-key. But this is a twos bot. It's not a 1v1 bot. It's a twos bot. But this is my first time using it in twos as well. After this, we will go in twos to see how it performs. Good save. Actually, I'm gonna turn on humanizer so you guys could see. Enable humanizer. See, look at that, guys. You guys see that? That's my favorite feature. Obviously, we do have skip replay on, but yeah, the humanizer, it basically makes it more human and like a little bit of faulty. So let's say the bot was gonna score, the humanizer makes it so it'll maybe hit the post and then in, so then it doesn't make anything obvious. But like as you guys see, there's like a little bit of fault. See, like, anyways, I'm gonna turn that shit off. That's only if you guys like want to be a little bit safer. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, I don't know what he was doing. Oh, I should also mention the ball prediction. Did you guys see it does work? You change the color and everything. I personally don't really want to use it. I don't really see what the point is. These are the credits as well. Ku, Yoshi, and Silly TNT. These are their discords. But yeah. Oh wow. Oh no, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. That was actually lucky cold. But anyways, the movement on this bot in 2v2 is absolutely, like, it's actually crazy. But yeah, it's, as you guys can see, 6-3. Seven tree. This bot does not miss, guys. Like, this is a very good bot. Even in ones, it's so good. But this bot is made for twos. So I'll show you how it does in twos. I'm gonna play in twos without the split screen first, and then maybe I'll try split screen, or maybe I'll do that in another video. But let's see this aerial. I think he's gonna go for the demo. Yeah, he did. He went for the bump, and he left. See, so we're gonna go into a. Let me just disable it. We're gonna go into a into twos in GC lobbies. So let's just see. We are GC 1 Div 1. So yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna let this load. Yeah, but boys, I'm gonna just let this bot play, and so then you guys don't have to hear me talk or anything. So yeah, boys, lock in. This is where we start working into Diamond 1 and GC. So I think we're go see if we did win. But yeah, we should do we give up? Let's see. We did not. Anyways, boys, that's me for today's video. If you did want to buy the sport, link in the description. And anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit.